Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, The Ethan Squad. My name is Addie. So today's video is about these 6 senators that approve the swab test upon arrival policy in Cebu. Details coming right up.
Our situation here, with our steadily dropping number of cases, would seem to prove that what we are doing is effective. Not only on the science of it, a very favorite word right now, not only on the science of it, but also on the mathematics of it. Because our policies are based also on science and on mathematics, because we have figures that we analyze. But more than that, beyond the science and the mathematics of it, let us remember, these figures are not just numbers. These are people. These are Filipinos who are sacrificing abroad to bring in the dollars to help their families and to help our own economy.
So when the announcement from the Malacanang has been posted that all international flights to Mactan Cebu International Airport will be diverted again to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, or it was extended until June 12 of 2021, these 6 senators has really showed favored, has really approved the swab test upon arrival policy in Cebu. So the first one to approve this policy is Senator Tito Sotto. And the rest of the 5 senators are Senator Ramon Bong Revilla, Senator Angara, Ontiveros, Mig Subiri. So we will read all their statement on how supportive they are and that they are in favor of the swab test upon arrival policy of Cebu for overseas Filipino workers and returning overseas Filipinos. The first one to show support is Senator Tito Sotto. Here's his statement about the upon arrival swab testing policy of Cebu. I strongly support Executive Order Number 17 Series of 2021 of Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia and Provincial Ordinance Number 2021-04 of Cebu Provincial Board implementing the swab upon arrival policy in Cebu. The IATF guidelines give additional burden to our overseas Filipino workers or OFWs and returning overseas Filipinos or ROF by requiring them to spend their time and hard-earned money to stay in hotels and accredited quarantine facilities for minimum of 10 days from arrival and swab test done only 7 days from arrival. I support Cebu Governor Garcia in their ordinance for Cebu residents, OFW, and ROF to have a swab test upon arrival policy. Hindi na kailangan mag-quarantine sa mga hotel ng mga Cebu residents, OFWs, and ROFs for 10 days or more. Pagdating, swab agad. After the negative results within 24 hours, they are sent home and undergo home quarantine for the remaining balance of the 14-day required and will be monitored by the barangay. After 7 days, the second swab will be done by the LGU of residents in Cebu. In this manner, the IATF required quarantine and swab tests have not been violated. The purpose of which these protocols were put in place has not been defeated. It's actually a win-win situation for both the OFWs and ROFs and the government. This is an innovative, safe, and reasonable protocol, especially for OFWs. I'm looking forward that this best practice will be implemented throughout the country. Senator Tito Soto really understands how hard it is to be quarantined for 10 days and how expensive it is for an OFW or an ROF to be spending this much money on quarantine. Another senator that is in favor of the swab test upon arrival policy is Senator Angara. Here's his statement on this policy. Senator Angara supports practical swab upon arrival policy of Cebu for OFWs and ROFs. Suportado natin ang quarantine rules and testing protocols sa lalawigan ng Cebu. Sa pangunguna ni Governor Gwen Garcia at sana'y ganito na rin ang ipatupad ng IATF sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa. Kung mananatili ang 10 days hotel quarantine para sa ating overseas Filipino workers and returning overseas Filipinos na ilang araw lamang naman mananatili sa bansa, mas mabigat ito sa kanilang gastusin at mauubos pa ang araw ng kanilang bakasyon. Marami sa kanila biglang napauwi lamang dahil sa pagpanaw ng mahal sa buhay o kaya naman ay para daluhan ang ilang mahalagang bagay sa kani-kanilang pamilya. Senator Bong Revilla also lauds the swab test upon arrival policy of Cebu. Senator Bong Revilla is the latest national official to support Cebu's policy on arriving OFWs and ROFs. Cebu's swab upon arrival policy is a commendable initiative. Senator Miguel Zubiri also expressed his support on the swab test upon arrival of Cebu. Here's his statement on this matter. Senator Miguel Zubiri supports Cebu's protocols on arriving OFWs and ROF. I think as we go along, it's useful to review our policies and modify them if needed. The pandemic situation is changing, particularly with the ongoing vaccination here and abroad. Naturally, our policies will have to change as well. I actually like what he said because of the vaccination rollout here in the Philippines. And since a lot of vaccines have arrived in the Philippines for the past few days, this is a good indication that the vaccination rollout here is continuous and not on the slow pace anymore. And this is true that they might want to look into their policies and modify because of the changes in the different parts of the world because of the vaccination rollout. The 10 days quarantine may not be effective anymore, especially if you are fully vaccinated already. So these senators hopefully are not just doing this for politics, but they are doing this as a public servant, that they are really expressing their support to overseas Filipino workers and returning overseas Filipinos, that they are on their side on this with regards to the suffering, the hassle that they experience when they go home to the Philippines, with all the expenses that they have to spend and with all the protocols that they have to go through, which is the swab testing and the 10 days quarantine. Cebu's arrival protocol for OFWs and non-OFWs has been effective, that even if they are doing this swab test upon arrival policy, their active cases on COVID-19 is decreasing. So this just means that whatever policy or whatever protocols they are implementing in Cebu is very effective. And we really hope that the Philippine government, especially the national level, will look into these policies, that these protocols are very effective, and hopefully that they would implement this also for the whole Philippines. Senator Pia Ontiveros and Senator Villanueva are the latest senators that approves the swab test upon arrival policy in Cebu. According to Senator Villanueva, sensible but science-based way of screening travelers for coronavirus is low cost but highly effective. Villanueva also said that the Cebu formula needs to be tested in other areas of the country. Success has to be replicated, not repressed. We should encourage innovation, especially during this new normal. when conditions change rapidly. It's a kind of health checkpoint that spares OFWs of the hassles of quarantine. It saves them time and money, both of which are better spent with and for their families, Villanueva said in a statement. He added that it is not only the ROF that is spared from spending from their own pockets for longer quarantine periods, but the government also gets to save money that is used by Overseas Workers Welfare Administration or OWA to pay for billeting 10,000 OFWs in 114 hotels. He's actually got a point because OFWs are actually shouldered by the OWA. Imagine the money that they will be saved if Cebu policy will be tested and will be implemented to all areas in the Philippines. Imagine that money that they could save, that they could use for the vaccine, so the vaccine rollout in the Philippines would move faster. That way, everybody would be vaccinated and everybody could live a normal life again. If we adopt Cebu's approach as national policy, the government will be saving billions of pesos a year. Isipin nyo na lang kung gaano kadaming bakuna ang mabibili nito. Which really makes sense because this pandemic is really expensive. LGUs has to get budgets. LGUs has to spend this and that. The Philippine government has to loan some money because of the pandemic and stuff. If they modify or change their current policy, like the senator said, the government, the Philippine government, will actually save billions of pesos a year, which could buy vaccines for so many Filipinos waiting for vaccination to reach the community herd. According to Senator Pia Ontiveros, I strongly support the province of Cebu for coming up with localized protocols in responding the pandemic. This demonstrates their confidence in their capacity to contain the spread of COVID-19. I am certain that they have taken into account their situation as well as the plight of our OFWs before coming up with these measures. I trust that the provincial government know what is best for their own constituents. So hopefully with these 6 senators that approves the swab test upon arrival policy of Cebu will be an eye-opening to IATF who implements or who recommends what will be the protocol for this month, what will be the protocol for this week, and stuff like that. Cebu is doing this because it's effective. And even though they do the swab test upon arrival and stay at the hotel for 2 to 3 days only, their cases in Cebu is decreasing already. So they are doing something that the national level is not seeing yet. So hopefully that they would test, that they would try what Cebu is doing. So this could be as effective as what Cebu is doing at the moment. So right now, all international flights to Cebu is still diverted to Manila. This is until June 12 of 2021. So tomorrow should be the last day of this flight diversion to Manila, and we await, hopefully, that they will lift this. Hopefully that they will just leave Cebu alone because looks like they know what they are doing when it comes to protocols for arriving overseas Filipino workers and returning overseas Filipinos. I actually applaud the senators for being supportive of an effective work and protocol from Cebu headed by Governor Gwendolyn Garcia. And I'm really hoping that them as senators will also do their job, that they would really fight for this and take actions, especially of each of their statement, that they are really in favor, that Cebu policy should be tested and used all over the Philippines. So hopefully that they would really take actions of what they were saying as a support to Cebu's swab test upon arrival policy. So what do you guys think of these senators who expressed their support to Governor Gwen of Cebu, that they are really in favor and they support the swab test policy upon arrival for OFWs and returning overseas Filipinos. So this is our update for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family whom you know that can use this video as reference. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We do travel updates, and if you are not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified on updates like this. And to our subscribers and new subscribers, thank you so much for the continued support and trust to our channel, The Eaton Squad. I hope to see you guys on our next travel update. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless everyone. Bye!